Look, I think Bitcoin's a bank in cyberspace. It's, and your choices are you save your money in a traditional, conventional fiat bank, and you're going to watch your purchasing power dwindle down over the next decade to the point where it'll buy nothing. Or you can gamble in the stock market that's maybe rigged against you, and if it's not rigged against you, then you'll be buying companies that are generating cash flows in fiat currency that is collapsing in value. So even if you think you've avoided the problem of currency weakening, of storing your money in a bank, you haven't really, because if you're buying real estate, bonds, or stocks that also generate fiat currency and that currency is collapsing in value, you've got the same problem. Now you have a fiat derivative. Or you can save your monetary energy, save your purchasing power and your wealth in Bitcoin, which is not a fiat derivative, that is not collapsing in value, that is going to appreciate against all these other currencies as they collapse in value. And you don't have to gamble on whether or not Apple will ship a good iPhone 14 or, the next generation of this product or this service, or what that government will do to this company and what that CEO will do. All very complicated, anxiety-inducing. Bitcoin is a simple thing. Right? You're buying into a thermodynamically sound engineered monetary network, the first workable monetary network in the history of the world, or first digital monetary network in the history of the world. It's a gift. Once in 1,000 years, do you actually see the invention of a fundamentally new thing? This is our once in 1,000 year opportunity. You get to buy into it early. What would it be like if you owned 10% of all the electricity that was ever going to be pumped? Or what if you could buy 1% of all the running water that's ever going to be pumped, right? That's what this is, right? It's 1% of all the fire that's ever going to be lit. You have a chance to buy a percentage of the future. Seems like a no-brainer to me.